Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. I will be making a autumn leaves dishcloth. All you'll need is some circular knitting needles, preferably size 7, 4.5 millimeters, and then some 100% cotton yarn. This is what I'm using, but you could use any kind of cotton yarn colors. Just make sure it's 100% because that way, if it has acrylic, it will melt. And I'm not so sure about wool, but I think it'll felt, but, it's just great for dishcloth, dishwashing, anything that has to do with a hot surface, but it'll also, keep your items cold. Not that it's insulated, but it's just great for it. So if I take it on middle, usually I go on the outside because I make them in bulk. For my Etsy shop, I'm just gonna do a simple slip knot, and then I'm gonna do a long tail cast on, and I'll do it for 4 stitches. This is 1 and then 2, so all I need is 4. Very simple. Next, I will do 4 knits across. So for knitting, you want to go through the stitch, wrap it, slip it off. Now for the increase, all you'll do, and it's very simple, is knit 2 like we did before, or at least the knit stitch. Then you will yarn over and then just knit like normal. And so I'll do that for about 45 stitches across. But you can make it as big, however, as you want. I'm going to knit up to 45 and speed up the video. Oh, hello. And then I will meet you back. Hey, just got done with the 45 stitches, but if you did more, then that's fine. We're gonna go ahead with the decrease, and it's very simple. What you'll do is knit, and then we are gonna pick both loops, not just the one, but both, as if we are gonna knit, and this will be a decrease. Now, this might seem a little weird because we're trying to decrease, but we're gonna yarn over, and that'll add 1, but it's also to balance the knit together that we're gonna do right here. And then we're gonna knit along just as we've done before with the increases. I just love these circular knitting needles because I have it right here. I don't need to worry about straight needles of them falling off. Yes, it could fall off, but there's a less chance because I can put it on here and not have them fall off. Oops. So if you slip one, all you have to do is just do it like that. I've been knitting for a few years, and I also crochet. Please let me know if you want me to show you any techniques, or if you want to learn how to make something. I also sell this on my Etsy shop, which I will leave a link below so you can check out my shop. So you can purchase it if you just want to have the product instead. But for those who love knitting, you're welcome to watch this video and try it. So I'm going to show you again the decrease. I also have to say, with the yarn over, it creates the loops that we've been doing in the increase, so that way it'll look uniform. So then we're gonna go 1, knit 1, and then knit together, yarn over, and then knit together. And then you'll want to knit all the way across, and you'll want to repeat this until you have 4 stitches left on your needles. Mind you, this is 1 stitch, 2 stitch, 3 stitch, 4 stitch. What you'll need is at the end, and I will pause this video and I will come back when I have 4 stitches so you guys can follow along to see what to do next. Now that you've finished decreasing till you have 4 stitches, we're gonna sew this up, weave in the ends, but what you'll need is enough length, about 6 inches or so. You'll just make a cut. And then you'll take a darning needle or a yarn needle, which you can get at any craft store in your neighborhood. And then what you want to do is slide it between each. You'll want to hold this till the tail comes through the other end, and then you'll want to pull the other side, make it tight, and then pull the tail. That way it's nice, tight, and secure. And then what you'll want to do is weave it in as best as you can. I like to go through the back way, minus the one that was connected to the end, and just try to weave it through till you get to one of the stitch rows from the back side. And I like to do this so that way it looks uniform and doesn't look like we even made a sewing error. I want to do this a few times. Enough to where you're comfortable in having it secure, and then you don't want to go through here, but you'll go through this side and then go the other way. And then what I like to do, if I can, is to go through it back one last time, just to make sure it's extra secure. And once you feel comfortable enough that it's secure, just snip. And then you'll go on the other side and you'll do the same. I've been making dishcloths for a while, so it comes naturally to me, but I just like to slow it down for you all, in case if you've never made one before. That way you can get some practice too. If this is your first knitting project or whatever your journey is with knitting. I do hope that you like this video. If you do, please hit a like and subscribe to my channel, because I will be adding some more knitting tutorials and beginner basics. Let me know in the comments if you want to see that. Please check out my Etsy shop. I will leave the link below. And hope you have a crafty day. I'm just gonna finish this up. And then if you do have a short tail like I do, as it so happens, just you want to go through two, but I'm sure this is common sense, but go all the way through till you feel like your thread can reach it, and then pull through that, and then you'll cut. I only did the two just because I feel confident enough that it won't untangle itself. But thank you and have a good night. This is, or day, whichever time zone you're in, but this is the autumn leaves dishcloth, or whatever color scheme you're using. Thank you.